Hi guys, in today's video we're playing another VSOM map, and if you couldn't guess, you wouldn't. Oh, it's made by Max, I'd try to guess. Alright, it's Minecraft. Or Gorilla Craft. Oh my god. Yo, it's so laggy. It's actually kind of laggy though. Is there anybody playing this? I'm gonna join a... Oh, there's people playing this. Should I go in the cave? Pick up stuff? No, I don't think so. It's so laggy. This is a lot of attention to detail. Oh, you could go through the door. Yeah, our goal is to find Verity. Verity trademark. Should we go in the cave? I'm gonna go in the cave. Yo, Verity, but Verity might. No, it's not even slippery on the water, bro.
Yo,
what?
We can just, yeah, get away from me with that thing.
The water's kind of tough.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Like the water.
He says what he wants.
Oh my god, it's a farm.
Maybe I can find some animals here, bro.
Oh, you even has the cherry biome. Cherry biome thing. Trees. I like these. I try to make a base out of them. Looks like very pinkish pit. Actually, our goal is to get to the top of the mountain because I can't find Verity. And jump off. Oh my god. Yo, look at that. Yo, where could Verity be? Is he on the other side of this mountain? Why is there like snow there? Yo, where is Verity? Alright, we're jumping off this mountain.
Guys, I want to tell you something.
Let's go on this tree.
I saw on the video that there is a gorilla.
Alright, let's jump off.
And he is the most rarest gorilla.
Oh, there's no slide.
Be careful of him, bro. Creeper.
We're gonna make gorilla. We're gonna make copy.
Don't tag me.
Oh my god, imagine putting tag in Gorilla Tag X Minecraft. Bro, Verity's not in this, bro. Where's the box? Floating island? Floating island, bro? Yo, we can't even have like pickaxes or something to mine. Hold up. Is that a trial chamber?
Trade.
No.
Trade what?
Can you build? There's no. Oh.
I don't have a shovel. Yeah, you do. It's glitch.
Oh my god.
Bro, we're already close.
So, with the diamonds?
Blue.
Wait, hold up. I think that's an amethyst.
Blue, I found someone.
Alright, that's bedrock only? Dude, it should be deeper.
I have the shovel. Bro, we're going to go ahead.
Alright, let's go in here. There's nothing in here. I'm ending the video.
I'm already coming up the mountain. I'm going
Alright, guys.
I'm on the mountains.
Nobody's here.
I'm going up the mountain. Oh gosh, oh goodness.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. It just pulled me up to the VR thing. No, alright. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe because you watched almost a 5-minute video.